Hello everyone, welcome to HillBro. Today we are in Atomic City again, kicking off the new riding season. I, for one, actually really enjoy it out here in Atomic City. There's not much out here, it's kind of desolate, but that's kind of what makes it beautiful to me. You're out in the middle of nowhere with lots of places to ride. Caves, buttes, trails, connecting areas from here all the way down to Twin Falls even. So this weekend is actually the High Desert Jamboree, put together by Steve Adams, who runs the Yellowstone Divide Trail System and of course the Atomic City Trails. For the past 3 days, Steve has had a lot of events and rides, group rides put together where they've been exploring the buttes and all the way to Hell's Half Acre. And I think they even did a Pickles run, which means you start from Atomic City and you go into Arco and you go eat at Pickles. We are joining the High Desert Jamboree for the last day on Saturday, and we're going to meet up with them later today at Big Southern Butte. Today I am joined with my boy Riker and my youngest daughter Summer. Summer, have you been to Atomic City before?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No.
Are you scared?
No.
She's seen videos of our previous rides out here, and she was a little nervous this morning. She's always wanted to come out here, and today we get to do it, huh?
Yay.
Also joining us today is my cousin Keegan. You may recognize him from one of our past videos where we went to Howe and explored the canyons. Where's your rhino?
Let's just say it's gone and we upgraded a little bit.
We went 2.5 miles down the trail
and the motor went
and
kaput.
And you never rode it since or again?
No, it was right into my garage and then some guy bought it and he welded the crank back and fixed it in one night. So
as far as we know, the new owner of the Rhino has been enjoying it a lot, but unfortunately it was short-lived for Keegan.
yeah, well, we get a nicer machine now, more family friendly.
Because of that, we're not on side-by-sides today, but we are actually on four-wheelers. Honestly, I enjoy the four-wheelers almost more than side-by-sides. Out here in this desert, actually, a side-by-side is actually probably a little more fun. But I enjoy the four-wheelers, and Keegan got himself a brand new four-wheeler. A brand new Sportsman 450. And honestly, Keegan, that is probably a way more plush ride than even this thing.
Hopefully. I mean, it's meant for my wife, so hopefully she's happy with it after I'm done.
Experience tells me be careful saying that because one of two things happen. Either it becomes your machine or it doesn't come back home.
Yeah. I mean, if the four-wheeler does break, I do have a couple backup plans with me this trip. Right over here.
Ah, you brought your dirt bikes. You brought 3 machines and you brought only yourself. So you're supplying my kids with rides, I guess.
Or me with 3 if I break the other 2 first.
Well, let's hope that doesn't happen. Look at this brand new Kawasaki 450. That is a good looking bike. And sweet little pit bike back there.
And it matches me.
Dude, that's true. Come here, Summer. I knew you brought this for Summer, my kids. Jump up. That matches you perfectly. You think you could drive that?
No.
No. Someday, huh?
Yeah.
Out of all my kids, I think the one I'm worried about most driving a 450 when ready is that one. She's crazy.
Perfect color scheme. That like matches to a T.
Keegan's like, man, I need to get myself a blue coat and pink snow pants. Here, Summer, let Keegan wear your outfit.
Fat guy in a little coat.
I think Keegan said he wanted to go check out Cedar Butte, so before we catch up with everyone at Big Southern, I think we're gonna go check out Cedar Butte.
Sounds
It'll be
great.
a fun time. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, let's do it. You ready? Oh, take it off, 4-wheel drive.
Second round.
So we stopped real quick because I think my shocks are on stiff from zipping around the dunes and jumping. Look at this. Keegan is all set up with all sorts of tools everywhere.
You want a big one, a little one?
That one will work. And then a flathead screwdriver. Put these ones all the way to soft. Well, Summer, we got the shock soft and the rebounds fast. Hopefully that makes it pretty smooth. How's your ride?
Good. I saw a flock of moose in. There were many bunches of them.
Many munches of moose. Nothing better than quoting Brian Regan while traveling along through your cardos. You know what that is, Keegan?
Yes, it's Cinder Butte.
Yep.
It's a butte crack.
You see the butte crack up top. It's a cute butte crack. We'll get up there and then we'll decide which direction we want to go up. One start. That's all I got. That is crazy. Oh crap. We ran into our first problem. Up, off bug. I've been having, I think my battery's going bad, and it usually gives me about 4 starts, but gave me 1 start and it's dead. This better not ruin our day. Truth be told, the only reason why I have friends and cousins is so they can pack tools for me.
Says you're good, ready to start.
Oh gosh, dang it. This is gonna ruin the day.
Nah.
Well, Keegan, you know how I was giving you crap this morning about your Rhino?
Maybe.
That's what I get, right? I had to run all the way back to the truck to get jumpers because this thing ain't starting.
But, lucky for us,
Stop throwing dirt clods at me.
have options.
All right, moment of truth. See if the jumping jumps. No jumping.
Part of it.
Not nuts. Can-Ams have always been very temperamental that way. Now try?
Sure.
Sure. Nothing. It's a poop scoop. I don't think Mr. Black is on. There, we did it! Little ingenuity, huh? Thanks to Keegan.
We pulled enough power, we just caught it on fire.
Oh crap, dude. That didn't mean it melted your other wires, did it?
No, it just melted the...
Interesting. This thing started. We're gonna get up to the top of Cedar Butte, and we might have a surprise waiting for us. All right, follow me. We're climbing Cinder Butte. Woo! Cedar Butte. Oh, I always mess that up. Oh, you might want 4-wheel drive. Oh, sorry, Summer. We did it, Summer! Oh, did it get hairy? Well, how was coming up that, Keegan, on your brand new wheeler?
It's great. Nice and smooth.
I saw you get a little western.
A little bit. Probably should have been low.
Man, that's like looking at an astronaut's helmet on the moon. Well, we made it on top of Cedar Butte. Summer's first time up here. Keegan's first time up here. We kind of had to hurry because when the battery pooped out, we were pressing for time because we were expecting a special visitor. If you can see, Dad is out flying his Rans S7. Let's see if we can get up high. Haha! Look at that!
It's so quiet.
Holy crap! That thing can go slow and it can go fast. You see how quiet that is?
That's what I'm saying. It's quiet.
Yeah, like when he buzzes me at the shop, I can't hear him. I don't know he's
No.
buzzing me.
Especially if you're inside.
Yeah. Right. How would Walker say that?
Beeping! Beeping!
Beeping!
Ready?
I'm taller than him right now. Goes to show just how big that canyon is and how high we are. So the group with Steve Adams with here for the High Desert Jamboree. This morning they took off towards Hills Half Acre, which is the other side. And you can see from here, I don't know if the phone will pick it up, but behind that you got two big buttes and then a little butte, and behind that little butte is a bunch of dust kicking up. That's where the group is coming back from Hills Half Acre. We're gonna later run in, catch up to them when they come through town and have lunch. Then they'll head towards Big Southern Butte, right over there. You hungry, Summer?
Yeah.
You ready for a little lunch?
Yeah.
Well, guess what I packed? Well, actually, your mom prepared. You guys brought in the truck, and then I put in the backpack. Look at that. It's a little pizza.
Little pizza.
Well, pizza quesadilla.
Yeah.
Keegan's trying to fuel the Hillams. For those of you who know what I mean, know what I mean.
When we run out of gas on the trail, we still have plenty with us.
Guess what?
What?
So I just got a message from Dad saying he just landed in between the two buttes. So let's go see Dad, who landed his airplane out here. First, we got to see if this starts. Dude, why? Make sense of that. Make sense of that. I don't get it. Are you lost? Do you need a ride?
You know, I don't know where I'm at. Somewhere in Idaho? Is this Idaho?
Well, You're about 100 miles from civilization. So, enjoy your walk. Wow, Princess service. Geez, Dad.
Yeah.
Didn't you know we were gathering with four-wheelers today?
Well, that's kind of why I'm out here.
That's a three-wheeler.
Yeah. Yeah, but I've got I got wings and a propeller.
So this aircraft is called the Rands S7. Rands is, they build kits for people to build their own planes, or you can buy the kit built from Rands or from other dealers. My dad was actually a Rands dealer back in the 90s, the #1 Rands dealer. And once the snowmobile mufflers took off, that was, the aircraft just kind of took a back seat and then disappeared as far as him building them for other people. But he's always hung on to his own Rands airplanes. This one is a bush plane, obviously, and honestly a really good one. Lightweight, inexpensive for, I mean, considering the other options of a bush plane. But like I say, low on fuel, like low fuel burn. About 120 horse with the turbo, but light enough to where you can out climb, out fly, and out stole, S-T-O-L, stole.
Short takeoff and landing.
Yeah, short takeoff and landing. Better than almost any other airplane. This is a very nice plane.
It'll haul a fat guy like me.
Well,
Skinny guy like you.
Well, I guess if you want to join the side-by-side group, but you have limited time, and you just want to say hi, and you want a smooth ride, not dusty.
Yeah, I'll just come in and swoop in and say hello, and then take off and go to the next spot. Cox as well, it's just out here. That's another landing strip that lots of guys like to land on.
So we were right between Cedar Butte and Big Southern. Right there. Summer, do you want to fly home with Grandpa?
I would do that for a
Oh, you want to do four-wheelers?
Who said that?
We're out here for an adventure.
Get lined up to my runway here.
That way. For those of you wondering, that's south with a hint of west.
Southwest. Southwest prevailing wind.
Always in southeast Idaho, except for now, it's coming from the east. Well, thanks for visiting us.
Thanks for picking me up. I was lost out here in this desert.
Home is that way.
Okay. Are you telling me that because I have a tendency to get lost out here in the desert?
Maybe.
I'm not chasing you in the middle of the night this time.
Actually, ended up we're chasing him. Yeah.
So if you watch our video, what is it? Lost in the Desert. Dad gets lost in the XX out here, and I run out of fuel chasing after him in the middle of the night.
Well, I was going to say, thanks for mentioning it's the middle of the night, because I don't typically get lost unless I can't see where I'm going. And I did not know where, my phone was dead. Man, it was just, I couldn't see the North Star. I couldn't see anything.
So what's crazy is where I ran out of fuel is almost right here. It's actually just down the way a little ways, but it was on this road just down the way. That's where I ran out of fuel. And by luck, we found each other somehow.
Yeah, and I had extra gas.
Well, fly safe.
Where?
Wow, Summer, look at that big butte. It's a butte. It's a butte. Yeah, I don't think you can pick it up on the GoPro, but the group is coming around Big Southern Butte. We got to get to the top and launch the drone. Well, we made it up to Big Southern Butte, Summer. Guess what? There's not a whisper of wind up here compared to down in the valley. It's super calm up here. What do you think? Look, Summer. If you look all the way over there, you can see the St. Anthony Butte and the sand dunes.
Barely.
Yep. That's where we live. And then we went all the way to Twin Falls. We did a big old loop last year. What do you think, Keegan?
It's pretty sweet up here.
Kind of cool, huh?
See quite a bit.
We have a good day up here. It's not windy
Great day up here.
and it's warm.
You see all the mountains for all the way
Not too hazy. You
around.
still see
Yeah.
all the mountain ranges.
Well, we made it up to the top of Big Southern Butte and we caught up to the group from the High Desert Jamboree. Got Steve with, that's actually a new MRZR. He sold his last one and bought himself a new one. And we got a big group, I think a total of 6 machines up here. Well, 8 including ours. And a bunch of good people having a good time here in Southeast Idaho. So if you guys remember the video where we went and got the first MRZR, the first MRZR had like a light color in the middle, darker on the sides or something like that. This one's completely, this is a different machine. But we did a lot of work, Steve did a lot of work to get that last one running right, and I think this one's going to need a little bit. But he's getting there, and these MRZRs are just awesome looking machines.
That's what I thought his brother.
This is ridiculous, okay? Keegan's bad luck with flying drones, okay? So I've been flying around Big Southern Butte, just getting cool FPV shots and stuff. And we've been taking off and landing multiple times, but I've had to lift my goggles so I can bring it in visually to disarm it right above Keegan so he can catch it. But I went to lift my goggles up, and then I was like, oh wait, I don't know where I am. So I went to put my goggles back, and as I put my hand down to put my hand back on the controller, I tapped the disarm button, which shuts the drone off. And I fell out of the sky, and I landed in that tree down there. Did it break?
Yeah.
It broke?
Broke a wing off.
Is that like,
Fortunately, it landed in a tree and not a rock.
yeah, but one of the rocks is probably shattered.
It still probably fell
100 feet. Oh, that was totally my fault, but a stupid move. I'm going to rethink that. I barely tapped that, and the thing fell out of the sky. Keegan, you're bad luck to fly around.
Am I? At least I can find it.
That's true, you found him both times. All right, let's see the damage.
Well, at least it wasn't me.
Because if it was... Now excuse me.
All right, so far so good. Good prop, good prop, good prop. Oh no, hold this right.
Still good motor?
Yeah, because I think that's sap. I don't think that's a rock hit. Yeah, I think we're still straight.
Except it lost all of these, like, right there.
Yeah, so fortunately that arm right there is replaceable. Those are available. That's like, I don't know, $7, maybe $15. And then this piece right here broke, which is probably $3 or so. As long as I didn't cut my motor cables. Oh, there we go. Well, I think everything else is intact. I think this arm took the brunt of it.
Yeah.
A little dirty. I can tell there's might be stuff in there. But if we blow it out, I think we'll have a good motor. Unbelievable. Keegan. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I blame you for all my problems.
No.
In my goggles, and the camera is broadcasting very clearly. So we're the unit, the 04 unit's good.
I'm blowing up this.
We got the SD card in there. So no, actually I feel very fortunate for a mistake like that. It could have hit a rock and I could have completely totaled another drone. But that'll be I don't know, $20, $25 fix, and we'll be back up and running.
I would not put this.
Well, the group took off back to Atomic City. We'll meet up with them later. What'd you guys think of Big Southern Butte, Summer?
Oh, that was... It is cold.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite places in this whole desert because it's like you're on a really tall island in the middle of the ocean. And all you can see is other islands, but obviously we're not.
Dad, do you think...
Let's load up and head back to Atomic City. That was a good day. Well, we got back to Atomic City, the parking lot, and Steve wasn't around. And then I heard, if I remember right, he tried to make a track over there or something. I've never seen it before. Let's go check it out. So the kids have on Keegan's pit bike. He's gonna be on his 450. We're gonna go zip over there a ways and check out the track. Track out here, Steve?
We do.
I'd heard about it, never seen it before.
It's still in development, but it is going good.
Awesome.
It's a lot of fun. It's just fun right now. Timed circuit.
Awesome.
115.
But I had to be worse. I got
that was
out in a hairpin.
That's better, isn't
I
it?
was at 114.
Well, yeah, about 1 second.
That's better. I'll take it.
I got bumped. That hairpin bumped me down.
All right, when you move, I hit it. Capable machine.
Yeah?
You like our spectator area?
Yeah, I've seen that.
And then this whole lava ridge over here, you can park up there and watch. You can see the whole tractor up there.
Nice.
We're going to clear them off eventually. We want to put grandstands up on the lava ridges.
Sweet.
He's going to put a dirt drag strip over here.
Yeah. She's moving.
Holy cow!
That little...
Just put it down! Come on!
Well,
Woo! 109.
wow.
She beat me. Not this. It's in a utility. I gotta try it one more time now that HillBro's here to record it.
Oh, you want me to go grab some equipment?
You should follow me, but that'd just be
Hey, how about a non-walkthrough time?
non-walkthrough. What does that mean?
Meaning I haven't been through it yet.
Oh, you beat us
Hit the blind.
on that machine.
Yeah.
109.
Steve, you said fastest time 1 minute flat?
I think it was just under a minute. A turbo razor, or some kind of turbo side by side.
Okay.
I think your Can-Am will torch this course.
Well, I don't know. I haven't seen the course yet, so we're gonna do a
Dry run,
dry run. Never seen the course before,
and we're going sub
and
1
we're gonna
minute.
see what I can do.
Or he's gonna fly over the handlebars into the sagebrush.
I'll have my helmet on. All right, kids, watch out.
You're
It's
doing
happening.
it with no helmet?
Yeah. Watch out, bug.
Old people have hard days.
Ready?
Let up. I'm ashamed of him. He let up on the first stretch. If he flips, I'll feel bad for a minute.
Yeah, he does that a lot.
He flips a lot.
No, he hasn't flipped
Here,
yet.
he should be moving. That's pretty quick. See how he handles the hairpin. Holy cow, he's flying now.
Almost 50 seconds.
Well, we had ourselves a good time today. Just got back from doing the Cedar Butte, Big Southern Butte. Keegan's first time, Summer's first time. How was it, Summer?
Fun.
It was a fun time. Were you tired? A long day, huh? And when we got back, I had totally spaced it, but Steve had put in a fun little track out in the sagebrush, out in the desert. And so we jetted over there and watched them race for a little bit. I didn't bring my camera stuff over there, so we only got very bare minimal footage of that. But I was able to jump on the Renegade and try the track out, and got 56 seconds without ever run the track before. He says it might be a record, but I don't take credit for that. Honestly, it's that Can-Am Renegade. That's honestly a secret weapon that most people don't understand or appreciate. And then we came back to camp and visited with Steve and had a good time. It's a lot of, oh, and out here, look at this. It is evening in Atomic City, and it is just beautiful, calm, clear. It is just a little cold. Like, you do have to dress warm to be sitting outside.
It's quiet.
But compared to what we've been getting for the past few days, even though we didn't get a winter, it's been cold. And it's been actually raining, which is good in this area.
Yeah.
But it's also been extremely windy, and we didn't have any wind today. It was a good day.
Yeah.
Got a call from Dad. He made it home safely, flying his airplane. If any of you guys would love to explore out here in Atomic City or anywhere in Southeast Idaho, look up YellowstoneDivideTrails.com. I was visiting with a lot of people that joined them today, and they just love how fun Steve is. He's a really personable guy. He's really accommodating, cooks good food, and he makes it fun. Well, I think that's it for us. And I had a good time.
Yeah.
Summer's tired.
She's not used to it.
She's tired. Time to go home. It's late. Well, we hope to see you guys riding out here someday. And thanks for watching HillBro. See ya.